What if I told you that you could own a piece of automotive legend without paying millions? Meet the 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 Mark IV, a breathtaking fusion of classic 60s Cobra styling, modern Mustang power, and heart-pounding performance. Stick around, because in the next few minutes you're going to see why this vibrant blue Roadster isn't just a car, it's a dream you can drive. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love classic cars, modern engineering, and the perfect fusion of vintage style with modern performance, you are in for a treat today. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an epic ride. Today we're diving into something that is every car enthusiast's dream, the 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 Mark IV, a car that perfectly blends the iconic aura of the 1960s Shelby Cobra with modern, reliable technology. And let me tell you, this isn't just any car. This is a piece of rolling art, a masterpiece that commands attention from the moment it hits the asphalt. Now, the first thing you notice about this car is its presence. Sitting there in vibrant blue paint, the Cobra's bodywork is meticulously crafted from lightweight fiberglass, hugging the curves that made the original 1965 Shelby Cobra one of the most recognizable sports cars in automotive history. Every line, every curve is designed to be aggressive yet elegant, evoking speed even when the car is standing still. And because this is a Factory 5 Mark IV, it's not just about looks. This car has substance under its skin. Underneath that stunning body, we find the heart of the beast, a 4.6-liter fuel-injected V8 sourced from a 2000 Mustang GT. Now, for those who might not know, this is a modern powerhouse that offers reliable, efficient, and explosive performance without the headache of maintaining a classic 1960s engine. With 5-speed manual transmission, the driver has complete control over every ounce of torque and horsepower that this car delivers. Imagine the thrill of being connected to the machine directly, feeling every shift as if the car is an extension of your own body. The powertrain is complemented by 4-wheel disc brakes, which might seem standard by today's standards, but in a car of this design, these brakes are absolutely critical. They provide stopping power that allows this lightweight Roadster to unleash its V8 without hesitation, giving the driver the confidence to push limits safely. Pair that with modern suspension tuning inherent in the Factory 5 Mark IV chassis, and what you get is a car that handles beautifully, corners like a dream, and still gives you that visceral, raw feeling of a vintage Cobra. Step inside the cockpit and you're transported to a place where luxury meets performance. The bucket seats hug you snugly, supporting you through every twist and turn. The pedals are perfectly aligned for heel-toe shifting, and the steering wheel is responsive, giving you that true sports car feel. Gauges are modern yet classic in appearance, keeping the vintage aesthetic while providing all the information a modern driver needs. You have everything within reach, from the shifter to the controls designed to make you feel like the master of this machine. But the beauty of this Cobra isn't just in what you see or touch, it's in what you hear. Start the engine and that 4.6-liter V8 roars to life, a perfectly balanced symphony of mechanical precision and raw power. This is not a car that whispers, it announces its presence with authority. Cruising down the road, heads turn, people stop in their tracks. There's a reason the Shelby Cobra is considered an icon. It's the perfect combination of sight, sound, and performance that triggers an emotional response unlike any other car. Now, let's talk about what makes the Factory 5 Mark IV so special compared to an original 1965 Shelby Cobra. While the original Cobras are the stuff of legends, extremely rare, and priced in the millions, the Mark IV allows enthusiasts to experience the same thrill at a fraction of the cost. This particular example, listed at $64,995, gives you the look, the feel, and the driving experience of the Cobra without the astronomical price tag. And unlike an original Cobra, you don't have to worry about sourcing parts from decades ago or compromising reliability. The modern Mustang GT drivetrain is bulletproof, ensuring that this car can be enjoyed every single day. The Factory 5 build philosophy is about giving enthusiasts control. Builders can select engines, transmissions, brakes, and interiors to suit their exact vision. This Mark IV combines performance, reliability, and attention to detail that makes every drive an experience to remember. Imagine taking this car out on a winding mountain road or opening it up on a secluded stretch of highway. The lightweight chassis, powerful engine, and precise handling make every turn exhilarating, every acceleration spine-tingling. It's the closest you can get to driving a racing legend on public roads. And speaking of racing, let's not forget that the Cobra's design was born to dominate the track. The original Shelby Cobras were engineered to take on Ferraris and win. While this Factory 5 replica may not be a direct racing car, it carries that DNA in every inch. The wide stance, the long hood, the muscular fenders, all serve not just aesthetic purposes but functional ones, allowing for high-speed stability, improved aerodynamics, and a stance that screams performance. Onlookers may admire the paint and curves, but drivers understand the engineering marvel that is under the surface. Beyond performance, this Cobra is also a statement of taste and style. Vibrant blue paint, chrome details, and a polished finish ensure that this car will stand out at any car show, event, or gathering. It's not just a car, it's an extension of your personality. Owning one tells the world you value classic beauty, modern engineering, and the thrill of the open road. Every turn of the wheel, every press of the accelerator communicates confidence and passion. Let's take a moment to appreciate the attention to detail. The Mark IV chassis is fully tubular, providing not just strength but lightness, ensuring that every horsepower is used efficiently. Suspension components are carefully chosen to maximize handling while retaining the authenticity of the original Cobra feel. Seats, steering wheel, pedals, and shifter are ergonomically placed to make the driver feel completely in tune with the car. Even the exhaust note is carefully tuned to ensure that it commands attention without being overwhelming. Every aspect of this car screams craftsmanship, passion, and dedication. Now imagine taking this car on a weekend getaway. You don't just drive, it's a full sensory experience. The sun glistens off the vibrant blue body, the engine hums like a living thing, the wind whispers past your helmet or through the cabin, and every corner, every straightaway delivers a rush that modern sports cars often try but fail to replicate. This is true automotive artistry where history, engineering, and emotion converge into a single, unforgettable experience. To sum it all up, the 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 Mark IV is more than a car. It's an embodiment of dreams, a modern reinterpretation of one of the most iconic sports cars in history. With its Mustang GT 4.6-liter drivetrain, 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a stunning eye-catching blue exterior, this car isn't just a head-turner, it's a soul-stirrer. For $64,995, it allows enthusiasts to own a piece of automotive legend, drive it, enjoy it, and create memories that last a lifetime. So if you're looking for a car that combines classic aesthetics, modern reliability, thrilling performance, and show-stopping presence, look no further. The 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 Mark IV is everything you've dreamed of and more. It's the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation, offering an experience that only a few cars in the world can deliver. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think of this Cobra. Would you take it for a daily spin, a weekend cruise, or just show it off at car meets? Either way, it's a car that will never fail to impress. Thanks for watching, and remember, this isn't just a car, it's a legacy reborn. Stay tuned for more incredible rides, more cinematic automotive journeys, and the finest cars the world has to offer. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.